This is now the ino ndio ndiratumira ino ndio nini roya. So this is the done job. The job is done. At the end of the day, look at that. The before and after. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful work. Phase is done. So today was all about the clearing. I'm telling you, the sun that's here. It's canny, but it's canny in another dimension. You know, we are near Mount Kenya, but it's in another style. So anyway, this is done. Let me just show you the piece. You see how nice it's done. They're not done. That part needs to be cleared too. But everything else looks amazing. You can see under the trees. Looks great. Oh, this is good. This is a good job. This is a good job. We thank God for everything. Oh yes. So every day's progress will be updated. So kindly follow us and make sure to stick till the end of everything to see the amazing project. So that's it. You can see the trees. Very nice. This bush needs to be done. The toilet will be here. And that's it. So we were trying to put all the grass around this area. What we'll do, once we'll try and decompose it, and then we plant something. We'll use it to plant some plants or something. So that's it. You see how beautiful this is? It's a beauty. This is a beauty. The land has transformed and it's super big. It is super, 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 super big. You see that? Yeah. It's amazing. It is amazing. Oh yes. So right now the guys are doing the road that I had showed you. You see this road need to be cleared. Now they are on it. We'll visit them and see the progress, so that at least we can have the vehicle come to this place up to this point. Yeah, so that's it. That's the progress.